How can I check RC transmitter compatibility? Imagine you have a new RC transmitter in your hands and want to make sure it will work smoothly with your existing receiver. It can seem tricky at first, but with a few simple checks, you can be confident they will connect properly. First, look at the brand and protocol. Many RC transmitters and receivers are made to work within their own brand system. For example, Spectrum transmitters usually need Spectrum receivers that support DSMX technology. FrSky devices work best with FrSky receivers that support protocols like AXT or Access. Matching these protocols is key to making sure they communicate. Next, check the frequency band and modulation type. Most modern RC systems operate on the 2.4 GHz band, but some older models might use different frequencies like 27 or 75 MHz. Both your transmitter and receiver need to use the same frequency and modulation, such as frequency modulation or amplitude modulation. If they don't match, they won't connect. The binding process is a practical way to test if your devices are compatible. Binding links your transmitter and receiver so they only talk to each other. To do this, put your transmitter into bind mode, then power on the receiver and also put it into bind mode. If the devices pair successfully and the receiver responds to your transmitter commands, they are compatible. You should also check the connection types supported by your receiver. Some use pulse width modulation, pulse position modulation, or serial protocols like SBUs. Your transmitter needs to support the same output type, or you might need extra hardware. Telemetry features are another consideration if you want real-time data feedback from your model. Make sure both your transmitter and receiver support telemetry if you plan to use it. Firmware updates are also important. Manufacturers often releases updates that improve compatibility and fix bugs. Keeping your transmitter and receiver firmware current can help avoid issues. To sum up, verify that both devices are from the same brand or support the same communication protocol. Confirm they operate on the same frequency band and modulation type. Use the binding process to see if they pair successfully. Make sure their connection outputs match your setup and check for telemetry support if needed. Lastly, keep their firmware updated. Following these steps will help you determine if your RC transmitter and receiver are ready to work together, making your RC experience more fun and less frustrating.